Different types of date formats which can be handy in renaming and organizing files. Are you looking for a simple way to insert date into your file names? Do you want to insert dates in different formats such as month, date, year, year, month, date? Keep on watching as we reveal a few methods to accomplish it. Method 1. Using PowerShell. Type PowerShell in the search box and open it from the results. Type the command displayed on your screen. Make sure to change MyFiles with the actual path that contains your files. Method 2. Using Easy File Renamer. Download and install Easy File Renamer. Click the System Renamer tab. Select Add Files. Now add the files you want to rename. In the drop-down box on the left side, select Insert At. Enter the date in your desired format and type the character position. Click on Add Rule. Keep in mind you can add more rules if you want. Click on Rename to proceed. That's it. It's that simple. Your files will now be renamed automatically.